Hi, I'm Joe Carlson, president of Lakeside Manufacturing in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We are a mid-sized manufacturer serving the food service, healthcare, and industrial markets in the U.S. We use Q4bis. We've been an early adopter for the last 6 or 7 years in our business. And one of the stories that I've told to many people is that we've had several meetings where we put Q4bis up on the screen and we use it in a management meeting. Typically we'd have to go back and get people to find information out, bring it back to the meeting. And the way we use for Q4Business is we go into the meeting, we put it up on the screen, and allows us to find out what we need right then and there. So we had an example recently where we were looking at changes in supplier costs for some of our products. We saw changes of 22%, 33%, and all the different numbers were up there. I could source it by supplier. We could look down to the part number that changed, and within 20 minutes after the meeting, we had regrouped a group of people for our industrial division and decided to make a change in pricing that increased our margins and covered that cost by 90 grand. So that one change is just one example that we use, and the power of Q4Business is the benefits that we see is the speed at which we can analyze information and drill down, which normally would have taken us for a long time and a lot of reporting. What we also do is we use it for our product management, we use it for our sales tools to monitor what's going on with our customer base, and we use it quite effectively because our sales team now is self-reliant. They don't use IT, they don't use our controller, they go right to the source, answer their own questions, and they're much more real-time about what's going on in the business with their customers, what our customers are buying, and what trends are going. So we use rolling averages, we can use the year-to-date information, the monthly information. It's all done in a snapshot. So they become very analytical in their work, which is not easy to do with salespeople. We've also put our financial statements on, and our financial statements used to be done by our ERP system. Very complicated, very tough to drill down into the specific accounts, very cumbersome. With Q4Business, I can go into it, anybody can go into it, drill down to their expense item, makes budgeting easy. We can do things a lot faster than we could have otherwise and eliminate a ton of spreadsheets.